How to send a DM to all followers on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send a direct message to all your Instagram followers. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen and you will be prompted to the DM section. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the pencil and paper icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And as you know, there isn't any direct way to send a DM to multiple followers on Instagram. So to do that, we will be using a group chats. So I'm gonna simply tap on create a group chat and include all my followers into that group chat. Now, after creating that, I'm gonna simply type my message, and once I'm done with it, I'm gonna simply send it. And now all the selected users will receive it in the group chat. So this works best for small communities and discussions. But if you want to target the larger audience, there is the option for broadcast channel. You can simply create a broadcast channel and it will allow you to send message to all your followers but they can't reply. This is a perfect for announcements, promotions, and updates. But remember, to create a broadcast channel, you should convert your Instagram account to professional account or creators account to be able to create a broadcast channel. And that's how you can send a direct message to all your followers on Instagram using group chats and broadcast channels. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.